Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be taking apart a battery. Okay, so there are two batteries in here, but the one I'm going to be taking apart is this black one. I'll show you right here. This one right here is one I'm going to be taking apart. Because this other one I actually use, I'm not using it right now. Now, I actually don't know what tools I would need to take this apart, so I might need to get some extra tools on the way during the video. So, I'll start out with this right here. And if I zoom in, there, yeah, it's a lot better. You can see it's just this black. It's a pretty old battery, so I don't think it works anymore. I'm not gonna be taking apart the battery itself. I'm guessing there's like a bunch of. I'm guessing this is like one battery, and then right here is like another battery. There's a small board somewhere around here. Okay, so let me try and find somewhere where I could actually take this apart.
Many months later.
Oh, okay, so we found it right here. A little, I don't know if you can see that. It's gonna take forever.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so it doesn't want to zoom. But there's like this little hole right here. Oh, I think you can see it right there. This little hole right here. I'm gonna see if I could use that to apply the both sides. I see a board there. Oops, that board's not working. Right there, the adhesive is coming out. Okay, I need 2 screwdrivers. No. Ooh, I'm scraping the board. Look at, I'm literally putting scratch marks on the board. I'm just waiting for that. Ooh, yeah, that's the end of that board. Oh, so it's just like one long board. I'm not gonna try and use my hands because I'm actually scared to use my hands. Let me zoom out so it's not as. There we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, we got somewhere. Okay. Here's the inside. This board is pretty much wrecked right here. Look at that. It's like bent. I feel like I can't. There's no more screws. Ooh, this could be an easy one. Okay, right here we have a lot of batteries. I have no idea. These are weird size batteries. It says C, but I know it's not a C battery for a fact. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna tear this. I don't think I'm able to put this back together. I mean, I could put it back together, but not as how good as it came. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna try to take apart one battery really carefully. Actually, no, I can't do that. There's no screws on here. Okay. Right here, put that away. Okay, focus on this. Oh, I got like Oh. Again? There's more white paste on my hands. Oh, it's from the tape. Oh, it's like glue. Oh no, it's got on my desk. Okay, here's the board. It's literally, it's just broken. Yeah. Okay, let me get that battery back again.
20 minutes later.
See how durable this thing is. Okay, so I am going to try and put this back together. Okay. As you see, there's really not much to put back together. So I'm gonna put this here. And no, I'm not gonna take back the other battery because I use the other battery for stuff. Oh, maybe it's gonna take long. Doesn't want to fit. Okay, first of all, we need this broken board. It's actually broken. I have no idea where the other piece went. Where did it go? Oh, it's right here. The other piece is right there. Okay, which way does this board go? So I'm gonna put that here. Let me zoom in a bit, actually. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put these batteries here. They fit. I feel like I just don't want to cut myself with the metal. Okay. Okay, this fits enough. And we're gonna put this broken board. No, let's just forget the board. Who cares about that? Okay, and this part right here, which I can't get off. I'm just gonna actually put this. Just gotta leave that board there. And I'm gonna put this, more glue. My hands are literally covered in glue. Okay. It won't fit. Oh, it's got, keep on getting more glue in my hands. I hate this. I hate this. It's probably the messiest video ever. It's not working. Okay, wait. It doesn't want to close. And I'm shook. Well, I feel like that's as far as we can get it. I can't seem to get it on. And yeah. So I'm done with this. I can't put it back on. I mean, let's at least try and... I don't want to do it. No, I'm not doing that. Let's at least just try and put the board back in. Can't fit. Doesn't want to fit. Doesn't fit. Okay, guys, that'll be it from the... That'll be it for the video. What we learned today is that do not take apart batteries because, not because it'll explode, but because it'll just put glue over your fingers, and who wants that? I mean, yeah. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, but if you didn't, you can hit that button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.